things first, we're gonna have to remove this line. I can probably go ahead and disconnect that sensor, take off this coupling, pull this whole piece out. That way I can disconnect these two. I'm gonna have to rip it apart and then throw the new ones on. Take this one off. Okay, that took me a lot longer than I expected it was going to, but it's on. Got the right size coupling, hose clamps, and another coupling and good hose clamps. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a start. Also, the hood will be going back on today, just because I'm tired of, you know, having everything just run straight in here. It's kind of not that great, but we're gonna give it a start up real quick. Make sure everything is running good. Oh, buddy. Good. So I need to figure out some way to stabilize this eventually, because it does rattle and shake around quite a bit. I'm not a fan of that. And I still need to finish hooking up my blow-off valve. I have not done that still. No oil leak. We're good there. Sounds like it's running really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the price now. So the overall price is gonna vary person to person, because I had a lot of, you know, odds and ends that I had to buy, and a lot of like free stuff that was given to me. Roughly, you're looking at about anywhere from $1,100 to $1,500 in total. And that's if you install it yourself. The kit itself, I will put the link to the kit in the description, so you can go check out the kit if you're interested in it. It's listed as $650, so you can go check that out. But then you've got to buy like things that it didn't come with, which was fittings and lines for sure. Like that's one of the biggest things, is like, you know, fittings, not only for the turbo, but for the lines that you have to splice into, and you know, you've got to buy all of that, which kind of sucks, because it's not technically, it's not a complete kit. And then you've got to buy injectors, you know, and that's a big cost within itself. You know, you can get some 310cc injectors like I have, which they're stock, you know, 8th and 9th gen Civic Si injectors. They're 310cc's. It really just depends on what you have access to. I had a good deal on these injectors, so that's what I bought. You're looking at a rough estimate, $1,100 to $1,500. You have to do your own research. So yeah, go ahead and look it up. The link to the kit will be in the description. I'm getting tuned by etunes.com. Their link will also be in the description, so go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to go buy some merch. The link is in the description to our website.